Hello, good day everyone. My name is Josephine Kian Paguti Mamak, taking off Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Mathematics. I know most of you knows that I am a transfer student, came from Negros Oriental State University in Bayoan City, Santa Catalina campus. But in addition to that, I am currently living in Purok, Bayanihan, Motong, Dumaguete City, Negros Oriental. I am female at birth and my birthday is on March 20, 2002. So, I am now 22 years old and I am single. I am my mom's second child and her first daughter, while I am the third child and at the same time third daughter of my father because my father is I think he is a Muslim, or we have a blood of being a Muslim. So my favorite line is that poverty is not a hindrance in one's success. As long as we work hard, we will reach our goals. Even though I am a daughter of a broken family, I am still grateful because they never abandoned me. My parents, especially my mom, and my siblings always shows love for me and they always support me all the time. And right now I am so happy because I have a pet named Snowy. She is very adorable. I think she is my happiness and the love of my life right now. I can sing a little bit, but I am not really good in singing. I can also dance, but only in TikTok. Um, I really love traveling everywhere if I have time and if I have enough money. I also like painting, and whenever I'm sad or emotional, I turn to writing, especially short poems. I also like watching movie like the Marvels, Superman, like that, and I love eating a lot. That's why look at me now. I'm so fat and healthy. In my family, I have three sisters and two brothers, but we don't have the same mother and we also don't have the same father because my father is a Muslim and my mom has her first husband and they had a kid, which is my Kuya Rexter, and then her second husband is my father, which they have two kids. It is me and my brother Jopet Chan. And her third husband, they have one kid, which is our baby Micah. And in my father's side, he had um, a daughter. Her first daughter was named Ati Angie on her first wife, I guess, and then on his second wife, um, I think it's Ati Mara, and then my mom is his third wife, and they have two kids. It's me and my brother. I cannot really say that I am the second or the third daughter because of our situations. And then, as what I have said earlier, that I love painting so much, but I am not good at it. I am only good in imitating others' artwork. And then I am also a tutor of two students, namely Wayne. He is an Indian, and then baby Alvana. He is a kinder kinder's pupil. I am a hardworking, but most of the time I love sleeping a lot. So, why did I choose BS Ed Mathematics? So, before, I am not really good in solving problems. I am not really good in mathematics as well as speaking English. So, someone told me that in order to remove your fear in your body, you should face it. You should fight it. So, I take Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in mathematics to challenge myself to to remove all the fears in my life. And I also want to improve my skills, and I want to learn a lot in about mathematics, and as well as speaking English, speaking in a large crowds. I also want to share my learnings or my knowledge to the other people, and the perfect way to share it is to become a future teacher. That's why I took Bachelor of Secondary major in mathematics, because I want to learn more about mathematics. I want to explore more about mathematics, and I also want to improve my communication skills, and also to improve my English speaking. Who am I as a teacher? As a future educator, if I become a teacher someday, I want to have a heart as a stone and a heart as a lion, because I want to become a strict, scary, and strong teacher someday. Um, my instructors here in Negros Oriental State University main campus, um, I really admire how scary they are, because they are strict and strong. And with those characteristics, as a student, we really study hard, because we are afraid that they might fail us. That's why we really study hard to gain more knowledge, to have a lot of learning, s- to gain I to have a lot of learning, so that we will not fail their subject, because they are not afraid to fail us, because if they think we are not good enough, they really fail us, so that in the next sum we will study hard, so that we will pass their subject. And just like them, I also want to have those characteristics. Even though I think my future students will not love me, because I am not love because I don't have a lovely characteristic, but I guess those characters will help them to study hard, to learn a lot, and to to pass my subject, because um, with those characteristics, they might also be afraid that I might fail them, because I am scary. They will be afraid that I might fail them. Those characteristics of our instructors here in Norso really helps us, and I guess it will also help my future student to gain a lot of knowledge, especially in mathematics. So these are the CHED Memorandum Order, or the CMO number 75 series of 2017 for Bachelor of Secondary Education major in mathematics. Use effectively appropriate approaches, methods, and techniques in teaching mathematics, including technological tools. So, as a future educator, or as a future teacher, it is our job to share new approaches, to teach new techniques and methods to solve mathematics problem, using the new technologies, just like the our computers, our cell phones, our laptops, and many more. Um, it is our job to teach the new techniques, which helps our students to um, um, to make the mathematics subject much easier. Next is appreciate mathematics as an opportunity for creative works, moments of enlightenment, discovery, and gaining insights of the world. So, in real life situations, everything is mathematics. From the moment we wake up until we sleep. Everything involves mathematics. So, as a future teacher, it is our job to relate all the topics in mathematics into real life situations so that our future students um, can um, can relate mathematics to their life. Who am I as a communicator? So I guess my strength is I speak directly to the point. I don't talk with a lot of flowery words, with a lot of blah blah blah, which is not related to my topic. So I speak what I want to talk about. I don't need to explain a lot of things that are not related to my point or to my topic. And my biggest weakness is I don't have enough self confidence, especially in speaking English in a large crowds because I am so afraid that everyone will judge me because I cannot pronounce properly some words. Maybe it's because of my teeth or because of my mouth because I pulled out a lot of tooth, but I'm really trying my best to pronounce it properly. And how this subject can help me as an effective communicator. For me, ED 403 will help me to build self confidence by teaching me proper pronunciation, effective speaking skills, and how to accept mistakes when I make them. These are essential skills for becoming a strong communicator, which is crucial for my future role as a teacher soon. So, as a future teacher, um, um, it is really our job to have a self confidence to speak in large crowds, especially to speak in front of the students. So for me, Ed 403 will help me um for my for building my self confidence because they they will teach me they will teach me how to pronounce well, how to speak well, and how to communicate well. So that's could be all. Thank you.